guys! So for today's video, we are going to deal with the angle formed by the secant lines. Pero, saan nyo napansin yung angle? Correct, nasa labas na siya ng circle. So we're done with the angles formed inside the circle. Tapos na tayo doon. We are going to deal now with the angles formed outside the circle. Yung mga nasa labas na. Now, the formula is just angle is equal to 1/2 times the difference. Bakit difference? Minus na kasi yung gagawin natin. Okay, times the difference of the bigger intercepted arc minus the smaller intercepted arc. Ngayon, pwede bang magkabaliktad? Hindi na. That's why, pag sinabing bigger, dapat yung mas malaki. Pag sinabing smaller, dapat yung mas maliit. And then you are going to subtract. Okay? So, tandaan, kapag ang angle nasa loob, or yung angle na formed ay nasa loob, ang operation natin ay plus. Pero kapag yung angle na na-formed ay nasa labas, the operation is minus. Okay, now we are going to find for the value of our angle, or the measure of angle AEB. So, ano yung nawawala? Ito. Okay, now to solve for that, we have this formula. But we have to write our working equation. So, dahil angle to, we have the measure of angle AEB, which is missing, is equal to 1/2, so copy, times the difference of the bigger intercepted arc minus the smaller intercepted arc. So, as you can see, yung bigger, ito, that's 121. O, anong pangalan ng arc natin? So, that's the measure of arc AB. Okay, ito, AB. Minus the measure of yung smaller, which is arc CD. Yan natin. Ito na ngayon yung working equation natin. Now, let's solve. Since nawawala to, we still have to write the measure of angle AEB is equal to 1/2, okay, times the difference of this one. O, ano ang measure ng ating arc AB? Ilan siya? We have 121. Minus the measure of arc CD, asan yun? We have 31. Okay, so what is 121 minus 31? We have 0. 12 minus 3 is how many? 9. Okay, so we have 90. So 121 minus 31 is just 90. So what is 1/2 of 90? So 90 divided by 2 is just 45. Okay, so the measure of angle AEB is 45. Okay, so 45 ang measure natin. Ganun lang siya kadali. Mahirap ba? Madali lang, di ba? O, i-comment dyan kung madali lang. Okay, now you try to solve for the measure of angle AEB. Given kayo ng inyong bigger arc or bigger intercepted arc, which is arc AB. And yung measure ng inyong smaller intercepted arc, which is arc CD, is equal to 50 degrees. Okay, don't forget to follow for more math videos. And remember that sharing is caring. Kaya share na itong video na to. Bye!